Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Gita Cup Chain Settings with Swarovski Crystals. These rhodium-plated open cup chain settings work perfectly with certain shapes and sizes of Swarovski crystal stones. And you can see here that we have earrings, bracelets, and necklace settings to choose from that will go with those shapes and sizes of the Swarovski crystals. It's a quick and easy technique that is perfect for beginners or beaders at any skill level. So first you're going to want to get the right shape and size crystal stone to go with your settings. And in this bracelet you can see that it will go perfectly with the 12mm Swarovski crystal Rivoli fancy stones into these empty cup chain settings here. And then all of the other earrings, bracelets, and necklaces have different sizes of Swarovski crystal stones and shapes that will go inside those empty cup chains as well. So I'm going to show you with this bracelet today using the 12mm Swarovski Crystal Rivoli Fancy Stones. And to use these Gita empty cup chain settings, you're going to want to use nylon jaw pliers. And these nylon jaw pliers are perfect for holding, straightening, and manipulating wire without marring the finish. So they work perfectly with the prongs in these settings here. Okay, so to make a quick and easy project using the Gita empty cup chain settings, you first want to place your matching shape crystal into your setting. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 12mm Rivoli fancy stone. And you just want to place it right inside. So it's laying flat. The prongs are sticking up on all four corners there, or sides. Okay, so then once you have that laying flat there, you want to take your nylon jaw pliers and gently press down one of the prongs. And you can hold the crystal down in place with your thumb, just right there and kind of near the center. Take your nylon jaw pliers, and you're just going to press down. And that's going to press down that prong and hold the crystal in place. And when putting the prongs or pressing the prongs down, you kind of want to go diagonally just so it will hold your crystal properly. So I've done this one here and I want to go across to this one over here. So again, with my thumb, I just kind of hold it in place. Press down. Okay, so now you can see that these two prongs are pressed down, holding that crystal in place. And then you just want to go to the next one. Press it down. And then that last one. So all four of those prongs are pressed down, and that's just going to keep that crystal perfectly just secure inside that empty cup chain setting. Okay, so I'll show you that again. I'm going to use another 12mm Rivoli fancy stone for this bracelet. Just place that right so it's laying flat. Take your nylon jaw pliers and hold that crystal with your thumb. Press it down and then just go across diagonally. Press that down and just do the other two. Okay, so there you have two. I'm just going to quickly just do those last three. So just place that crystal right inside there. Press those prongs down. Okay, let me just have one more. You can just see how quick these bracelets, earrings, and necklaces really whip up. Because you just place those crystals inside and press down the prongs, and it's nice and secure. The crystal's not going anywhere. Okay, so there, completed that quick and easy bracelet design using the Gita Cup Chain Settings. And now you know how to use the Gita Cup Chain Settings with Swarovski crystals for a quick and easy project. You can find all of these new Gita Empty Cup Chain Settings as well as these other tools and materials at fusionbeads.com.